A report has been filed on behalf of Secretary Establishment wherein short-term and long-term reforms to protect the rights of civil servants both in federation and provincial government have been suggested. It is to be noted that these suggestions have been made in pursuance of earlier order in which it was observed that secretary establishment and all the provincial chiefs secretaries shall make recommendations to improve and protect the rights as well as service structure of the civil servants. Apparently, civil servants are required to implement carry out lawful orders as it has been held by this court time and again, but such officers invariably are hindered not to follow the rules and regulations by the high ups on account of their administrative or political influence, which results in their arbitrary frequent transfers from one place to another, or at times posting them as OSDs or without caring about the merit cum seniority. They are not awarded due posting over the junior officers or junior officials are given assignment of high responsibility due to which there is always heartburning and for so many other reasons instead of performing independently civil servants start looking for some favor in the administration as well as in the political arena, as a result whereof good governance badly suffers. Para. Therefore, it is high time to recognize their fundamental rights vis-a-vis their talent, considering as the civil servants are responsible to run the affairs of the government according to the constitution and law. It is also the requirement of the day that government officials are treated for the purpose of promotion, transferring on merits, or while placing them under suspension. It must be kept in mind that as a punishment, no one can be placed as OST. Para. A draft report has been placed on the record by the Secretary Establishment. Its contents shall be considered by all the concerned in the light of the judgments of this court, particularly in the case of corruption in Hajj arrangements in 2010, in the matter of PLD 2011 SC 963. Para. We postpone the hearing of case for 18-10-12, and in the meanwhile the parties would also examine the proposal and steps to be taken by the government to ensure the implementation of the policy at least to the extent of short-term reforms as it has been suggested in the report. Similarly, we expect from the Election Commission of Pakistan that while preparing drafting code of conduct for holding elections in future, all the aspects may also be incorporated as it has been informed by Mr. Sher Afghan, Director General Election Commission of Pakistan, that in coming days the Commission is about to hold a meeting with the stakeholders in this behalf. It is to be noted that for fair elections, Election Commission of Pakistan also requires such government officers officials whose service is fully protected so they may also not succumb to administrative or political pressure by the high ups. Full stop.